Hi guys, welcome to my Minea Dropshipping review. Today, we're going to dive deep into Minea Dropshipping and find out if it's the right platform for your online business needs. Before we get into the review, let's quickly explain what Minea Dropshipping is all about. Minea is a spy tool that can help you to find winning products for dropshipping. You can use this spy tool to spy products that have been launched on Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest ads. Okay guys, as you can see, I am inside in the member area of Minea Dropshipping. First of all, Minea give you top 10 winning products of the day. You can also check the number of share, comments, and likes. If you want to spy products that have been launched on Facebook, you can just click Facebook ads. Using this feature, it will help you to find winning products on Facebook. You can use search bar so that you can some products. You can also go further, like spy on other countries. There are so many countries you can spy on. You can also change the language, or you can select the e-com platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, cart functionality, Magento, and many more. You can also select the number of likes the product have. There are so many filters you can use, like you can search for the best of week, which allows you to see the best winning products of the week. Or you can search by best of the month so that you can see the best products that been successfully during the month. And also you can search by seasonal. You can see the number of days that the products that has launched, such as first seen and last seen on Facebook ads. You can see the ads, how it looks like on Facebook ads, so that you can have more information about the product. You can add the product to your list, or it will be saved in your list. With this feature, you can see how many shares, comments, or likes about the product. You can download the ads of the product. It will be saved on your PC or laptop. You can get free access to Minea Dropshipping. The official website is in the description below of this video. There are credit card required, no commitment. With Minea Dropshipping, you can also spy product on Pinterest ads. Same applies here. You can use more advanced feature that I showed, such as you can check top winning product of the week or best of the month. You can also check go through these store you can model in your dropshipping business. You can just copy link URL of the product to see how the store look like. I highly recommend that you don't copy and paste, but it will help you to get some information about how they design the store. You can see the number of days that the store has and first seen or last seen of store. If you can download the ads copy, you can check the how the store is being promote on Pinterest ads. Okay guys, I know some of you want to promote your dropshipping products on TikTok ads. I want to give you some tips how you can use Minea Dropshipping to promote your products on TikTok ads so that you ads may not be removed or your account may not suspended. While dropshipping can be an effective way to run an online business, it should be done ethically and legally, following the terms of service of the platforms involved. Attempting to spy on competitors' advertisements or violating the terms of service of any platform, including TikTok, can lead to severe consequences, including account suspension, legal action, or damage to your reputation. Instead of engaging in unethical practices, I recommend focusing on the following legitimate strategies to improve your dropshipping business. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify popular products and trends within your niche. This will help you stay competitive and cater to the demands of your target audience. Engage with your audience. Interact with your customers and potential buyers on social media and through your website. Respond to their inquiries, address their concerns, and build a relationship with them to establish trust. Quality products. Offer high-quality products to your customers to ensure customer satisfaction and positive reviews. Satisfied customers are more likely to recommend your store to others. Optimize your website. Make sure your website is user-friendly, loads quickly, and is mobile responsive. A well-designed website enhances the user experience and encourages repeat visits. Marketing and advertising. Utilize ethical marketing and advertising strategies to reach your target audience. Platforms like TikTok have their own advertising systems, which you can explore within the guidelines provided. Customer reviews and testimonials. Display genuine customer reviews and testimonials on your website to build trust and credibility. Continuous learning. Stay updated on the latest e-commerce trends, digital marketing strategies, and changes in your industry to adapt and grow your business. Remember, success in any business requires hard work, dedication, and adherence to ethical practices. Spying or engaging in unethical behavior may provide short-term gains, but it can harm your business and reputation in the long run. Focus on building a reputable and customer-centric dropshipping business instead. Don't forget to use the official website. The link is in the description below of this video. So guys, I want to give some tips about how to succeed in the dropshipping business. The world of e-commerce has revolutionized the way businesses operate, and dropshipping has emerged as a popular business model for aspiring entrepreneurs. Dropshipping allows individuals to start an online store without the need to hold inventory. With the right approach and strategies, dropshipping can be a highly profitable venture. In this guide, we will explore the essential steps to achieve success in the dropshipping business. Market research. The first step to a successful dropshipping business is thorough market research. Identify a niche or product category that aligns with your interests and has a demand in the market. Research competitors, target audience preferences, and pricing trends to understand the landscape and opportunities. Choose reliable suppliers. Selecting reputable and reliable suppliers is crucial in dropshipping. Partner with suppliers who offer high-quality products, competitive prices, and prompt shipping services. Look for suppliers with a track record of fulfilling orders efficiently and ensuring customer satisfaction. Build a professional online store. Your online store is your storefront, and it needs to make a strong impression. Use a user-friendly e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce to create an appealing and professional website. Optimize the website for mobile devices, as a significant portion of online shopping is done on smartphones. Product selection. Curate a diverse range of products in your niche to cater to different customer preferences. Ensure that the products you offer are in demand, have a reasonable profit margin, and are not saturated in the market. Consider testing different products to identify the best performers. Implement effective marketing strategies. Marketing plays a crucial role in driving traffic and sales to your dropshipping store. Utilize various marketing channels, such as social media marketing, email marketing, influencer marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. Create engaging content and use eye-catching visuals to attract potential customers. Focus on customer service. Customer satisfaction is the key to long-term success in dropshipping. Provide excellent customer service by responding to inquiries promptly, addressing concerns, and processing orders efficiently. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations can significantly boost your business. Pricing strategy. Set competitive and profitable prices for your products. Consider factors like product cost, shipping fees, and market trends when determining your pricing strategy. Be transparent about any additional costs to avoid surprising customers during the checkout process. Offer special deals and promotions. Occasionally, run special deals, discounts, or limited-time offers to attract customers and encourage impulse buying. These promotions can create a sense of urgency and drive sales. Monitor and analyze performance regularly. Monitor the performance of your dropshipping store using analytics tools. Track key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and customer acquisition costs. Analyzing data can help identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies. Learn from failures and adapt. Not every venture in dropshipping will be successful, and that's okay. Learn from your failures and adapt your strategies accordingly. Stay open to trying new products, marketing techniques, and approaches to continuously improve your business. Stay updated on industry trends. The e-commerce industry is constantly evolving, with new trends, technologies, and consumer preferences emerging regularly. Stay updated on industry news and trends to stay ahead of the competition and seize new opportunities. Succeeding in the dropshipping business requires dedication, research, and a customer-centric approach. By conducting thorough market research, selecting reliable suppliers, building a professional online store, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can create a successful dropshipping business. Remember to focus on providing exceptional customer service, analyzing performance metrics, and staying updated on industry trends to continuously improve and grow your venture. With the right mindset and determination, you can achieve success in the exciting world of dropshipping. Now let's see the pricing plans of Minea Dropshipping. For starter plan, it will cost you $49 per month, and for premium plan, it will cost you $99 per month. If you want to pay yearly so that you don't pay on monthly basis, for starter plan is $34.50, and for premium plan is $69.33 yearly. Don't forget to use the link in the description below of this video to get your free access to Minea.